Imagine a world where factories solve problems before they even occur. AI is transforming manufacturing from reactive to proactive, predicting failures and running production lines autonomously. Welcome to the future of smart factories. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out iforyou.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is BusinessCompassLLC.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.
AI predicts equipment failures weeks in advance, reducing downtime by up to 50%. Companies like Siemens and General Electric are leading the way, showcasing significant cost savings and improved reliability. Real-time monitoring through AI ensures that potential issues are caught early. This proactive approach not only extends equipment lifespan but also optimizes maintenance schedules, keeping production lines running smoothly. Robotic process automation is eliminating repetitive tasks, allowing production lines to adjust in real time without human intervention. Generative AI simulates optimal production scenarios, enhancing efficiency. These autonomous systems adapt to changing conditions, ensuring seamless operations. By simulating countless scenarios, they select the best configurations, maintaining quality and throughput. IoT sensors provide real-time visibility across operations, transforming manufacturing into a connected ecosystem. Digital twins allow virtual testing and optimization, reducing risks and enhancing efficiency. Smart energy management systems reduce operational costs by optimizing energy usage. These systems ensure that resources are used efficiently, cutting costs and improving sustainability. Generative AI generates thousands of product variations, optimizing for efficiency and cost. This technology enhances quality control through pattern recognition, ensuring superior product standards. Process optimization through AI improves efficiency, reducing costs and enhancing product quality. By continuously learning from production data, AI refines its recommendations for optimal outcomes. Supervised learning predicts quality outcomes, while unsupervised learning uncovers hidden patterns in data. Reinforcement learning optimizes complex processes, driving manufacturing intelligence forward. These machine learning algorithms enhance decision-making, allowing manufacturers to respond quickly to changes and optimize operations for better results. Voice-activated controls enable hands-free operation, while conversational AI assists in troubleshooting. Real-time translation breaks down language barriers, enhancing global collaboration. These advancements in natural language processing improve communication, making manufacturing environments more efficient and inclusive. Assess your current readiness for AI integration. Select the right technologies for your goals and engage workers with comprehensive training to ensure a smooth transition. By implementing these strategies, you'll maximize the benefits of AI, driving efficiency and innovation in your manufacturing processes. Recap. We've explored how AI transforms manufacturing, from predictive maintenance to autonomous systems. By embracing these technologies, you'll enhance efficiency and stay competitive. Takeaway. By integrating AI into your manufacturing processes, you'll reduce costs, improve quality, and drive innovation. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by AI. Call to action. Start your AI journey today. Assess your readiness, choose the right technologies, and engage your team. Together, let's revolutionize manufacturing and lead the industry into the future. Remember, the key to success is starting small and focusing on areas where AI can make the biggest impact. Build from there and watch your manufacturing processes transform. Join us in embracing AI for a smarter, more efficient future. Let's set the pace for tomorrow's manufacturing industry together.